In this video, I'll show you how to monitor your brand mentions using Browse AI, a tool that makes tracking your online presence effortless. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a large brand, understanding what people are saying about you online is crucial for managing your reputation and staying ahead of competitors. Stick around till the end to learn about an exclusive free trial offer. Browse AI is an innovative software designed to simplify the way you track mentions of your brand across the web. It's like having your own digital assistant who scours the internet for mentions, saving you time and effort. The software works by automating web data extraction, meaning you can get alerts when your brand name appears anywhere online, whether it's in news articles, blog posts, social media, or forums. This makes it ideal for brand monitoring, competitor analysis, and staying in the loop on what's being said about your products or services. One of the key features of Browse AI is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not a tech expert, you can easily set up your brand monitoring workflows. You simply create a project, input the URL of a website you want to monitor, and specify the type of data you want to track. Browse AI will then scan the web and notify you whenever it detects relevant mentions. It's as easy as that. What sets Browse AI apart from other monitoring tools is its accuracy and flexibility. Instead of manually checking every mention, which can be time-consuming and prone to missing crucial data, Browse AI automates the entire process. You can customize your alerts to match your needs, whether it's tracking your brand's name, products, or specific keywords. Plus, the tool lets you monitor both structured and unstructured data, meaning you won't miss anything important, no matter how it appears. Now, you might be wondering how this software can help you scale your digital marketing efforts. By using Browse AI to track your brand mentions, you gain valuable insights into how your audience perceives you and what kind of sentiment is attached to your brand. You can leverage these insights to improve your marketing strategy, address customer concerns in real time, or jump on positive feedback to amplify your brand's reach. You'll also have the advantage of monitoring competitors. If you're in a competitive industry, knowing what's being said about your competitors can be invaluable. Browse AI allows you to set up alerts not just for your own brand, but for any competitor or industry-related terms. This gives you a competitive edge by enabling you to act quickly based on market shifts or opportunities. The best part? You can start using Browse AI completely free through the first link below. Yes, you heard that right. I've partnered with Browse AI to offer you an exclusive extended free trial that gives you full access to all the features, so you can try it out for yourself without any commitments. If you're serious about staying on top of your brand's online reputation, this is a must-have tool. To summarize, Browse AI allows you to monitor your brand mentions with ease and accuracy. From setting up simple alerts to gaining insights into how people talk about your brand, it's a game changer for digital marketers and business owners alike. Be sure to check out the link below for your exclusive extended free trial. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on boosting your brand's online presence. I'll see you in the next video.